Today's video is about what to bring to an airsoft war. First off, we have a spring pistol. In my opinion, this is one of the best for close range. It has a 12-round clip. The safety, the spring. I have a P30, full auto and semi. And I also have 2 P30 mags, a bunch of BBs. I prefer red jacket BBs. And then I have 3 pill bottles with airsoft BBs for if the pistols run out of ammo, I don't have to take out all 5,000 of those. And then I have my AK, hop up or hop down here, full auto, semi-auto, and this is a 600 round clip, a high cap clip with a crank on the bottom, something to unjam it, a clean side, and some glasses. I would bring duct tape, and that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here. Peace.